You get to the train station and the ticket machines, well, are broken. You have to speak. Do you freeze and don't know what to do? Today, in this lesson, I will teach you exactly how to buy a ticket, pay, and find the platform without holding up any lines. I'm going to tell you a story of an interaction. Don't worry about the text just yet. Just listen. Then I'll teach you the useful lines that you need for this interaction. And finally, we're going to practice speaking together. Here's our story. I walk into the main hall and see the out of order sign on the ticket machines. I join the line for the ticket window. When I get to the front, I speak clearly to the agent. I say, "I'd like a ticket to the airport, please." He asks me if I want a return ticket. Since I'm flying out and not coming back, I tell him I only need a one-way ticket. I say, "Just a single, please." He types it into the computer and tells me the price is 20. I don't have any cash on me, so I check the payment method. "Can I pay by card?" He nods and points to the card reader. I tap my card. Now that I have my ticket, I need to know the schedule. I ask him, "When is the next train?" He tells me it leaves in 10 minutes. Finally, I ask him for the location so I don't get lost. I ask, "Which platform is it on?" Let's look at the phrases we just used. We used the request, "I'd like a ticket to." This is a nice, standard and polite way to start that kind of conversation. You don't need to say, "I want." "I'd like" is a much nicer, more personal way of saying it. If you want to be even faster, you can simply say, "One ticket to the airport, please." The agent will usually ask, "Single or return?" In British English, a single means you are going only one way. A return means you're going to be coming back on the same train. To answer, I said, "Just a single, please." Note that in American English, they don't say single, they will say one way. They also say round trip instead of return. Next, we went through the payment. I asked, "Can I pay by card?" This is crucial because many places still prefer cash. But for the most part, when it comes to transportation, a credit card is better. It's better to ask before you pay by saying, "Can I pay by card?" Most places will say yes. Once you have the ticket, speed matters. I asked, "When is the next train?" You don't want a train, you want the next train. This confirms you don't have to wait long. You could also ask, "What time does the next one leave?" Finally, we need to know where our train is. I asked, "Which platform is it?" In the UK, we use platform. In America, you'd probably hear track. If you don't ask this, you might end up running around the station looking for the different screens. Another way to ask is, "Where does it leave from?" Let's read it together. "I'd like a ticket to the airport, please." Sure. Single or return? Just a single, please. That will be 20. Can I pay by card? Yes, of course. You can tap here. Thanks. When is the next train? It leaves in 10 minutes. Great. Which platform is it? Platform 4. Just down the stairs. You understand the lines, but on a busy platform, You don't always have time to think, especially if you're in a hurry. To turn these travel phrases into muscle memory, which means you just use them, I've built the Week 8 audio packs. The premium pack gives you the core loops, the mechanics, how it works. The Member Plus pack is a full system with interactive marathons for real fluency. You can check for the links in the description below. Now let's say these lines together. Hi, I'd like a ticket to the airport, please. Sure. Single or return? Just a single, please. That will be 20. Can I pay by card? Yes, of course. Tap here. Thanks. When is the next train? It leaves in 10 minutes. Great. Which platform is it? Platform 4. Just down the stairs. Good practice. Remember, focus on reflex, not remembering specific grammar rules or an exact sentence structure. I'll see you in the lesson coming up.